Hello, welcome to the good, the bad, and the ugly stocks this week. We are looking at uranium, football or soccer, recycling, freight, artificial intelligence, solid state batteries, and hydrogen fuel batteries. No deep dive, but a short introduction. Do your own due diligence. So, first up is Rush Uranium. They're in the Canadian market. Rush Uranium is a mineral exploration company. Property is located in Quebec, and they have a Copper Mountain, which is a project located in Wyoming, USA. Now, as with some of these miners, they don't really have a website, but they are all over a variety of newspapers or news websites. Coming in at 10 cents. They stayed at 10 cents for the first day, so I don't know how trading properly went. Maybe there's some sort of update required from the Canadian market, but we shall see. They make no revenue, obviously no website, as I said. They came in with a 3 million market cap. They opened at 0.1 of a Canadian dollar, and they stayed there all the way through, and they have a volume of 55k was their max. Next, we're going to look at TXO Energy Partners. They're an oil and gas company. They are focused on the acquisition, development, and optimization and exploration of conventional oil and natural gas and natural liquid reserves in North America. So essentially, they are looking at trying to get the best and develop current mines that have previously been opened and explored. Maybe trying to find some bonus somewhere would save, as there'll probably be a bit of infrastructure, but again, has it been already drained, shall we say? So they come in with a revenue of 343 with a market cap of 660. They came in at 22. And they have a volume of 1.5 million. They moved about 10% by the look of it. So that's highly hasn't really moved too much. Bit of a jump up by 10%. And then down again 5%. Apologies. So the next one is football. Brera Holdings Limited is an Irish holdings company based on expanding social impact football, developing, consulting, and professional football services that build on the brand and legacy of Brera Football Club. Brera Football Club was founded in 2000, the year 2000, based in Milan. So they are a football club. They have a variety of. They have a club, and they have a variety of different levels of teams. They have a football school, and obviously they sell items within their shop. So Brera Football Clubs, they have a market cap of 63 million, a revenue of 453. They opened at 5, and they dropped by 2% with. They dropped by 3%, to 482, as you can see by the chart. A bit of a jump, bit of a drop, and then it carries on. So one to be, if you're interested in football, one to keep an eye on. Maybe some growth in the future and some development within there. Bullfrog Holdings AI, they have zero revenue, I would like to warn you. BFRG, and they're based in the US. They are a AI technology company wishing to, or planning, or developing technology to help with drugs for cancer and various therapeutics. Very little information on these guys. They started trading at 650, and I can't find any real trading news on them. I just see that they have opened up. Maybe there was some sort of delay, or maybe there's some form of delay in data, but they haven't traded yet. One to keep an eye on, though, Bullfrog AI, if you're interested in artificial intelligence, and the medical or pharmaceuticals industry. Next one is Hydrogen Utopia. So their homepage is very interesting, maybe chuckle. They're obviously interested in the opening with that fear and gloom, maybe chuckle somewhat. Plastic waste is a major environmental threat to humanity. I I think they're not far off the truth. It's needs something dealing with, but whether their answer is the answer, who knows? Pioneering new non-recyclable waste plastics to hydrogen technology. So their aim essentially is to turn hydrogen using some sort of plant, and they end up with hydrogen, and I believe what they call is a natural gas technology. I think this is the page. There we are. So use waste and plastics and electricity and eventually make syngas and hydrogen. So hydrogen and maybe a synthetic gas that can be sold or used in use with natural gas. I don't honestly know, but hydrogen is what they're selling quite heavily on. So they had a market cap of 60 million. They don't have any revenue at the moment. So that's one to be said. This is one of those hopiums. Maybe you think that the possibility is hydrogen from waste plastics. Maybe this is something that many other companies invest in because they believe that there is a future to do this sort of stuff with. Came in at 1675 and it dropped to 15. The next one we're looking at Gesher Shareholders deal approve a deal with Freightos. This is a SPAC, and this is Freightos. This is a do as you can for all the freight industry. What we over here might call compare the market, depending on the freight that you do. Again, to be continued, may well happen with that. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.